I'll show you how to make oregano dressing for a Greek salad. We'll be using 3/4 cups of extra virgin olive oil. Use a nice oil, use a nice quality oil. A 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar. 2 teaspoons of oregano. 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. 1 clove of garlic. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Let's start by squeezing our lemon. You want to cut your lemon in half and pierce the middle with a fork and squeeze that lemon and wiggle the fork to break up the cells of the lemon and get as much juice out of it as possible. You can give that a little bit of a rotated, and then you can turn it, fold it the other way, and you can sometimes get as much as 1/4 cup of juice out of 1 lemon. We need 2 tablespoons for this recipe, but I'll juice the whole lemon. Okay, and after you juice it, you want to remove the seeds. You could strain it if you want, or you could just pull them out like this and discard them.